I recently bought a 2019 GMC Acadia, and the steering wheel is very worn out. It's actually very shiny and the leather is kind of like peeling off. So I found a replacement on internet, eBay, brand new unused for $175. So it's not a no-brainer. GMC has two different kind of steering wheels that they are identical outside, but they have some differences inside, and you need to know which one you need because they are not compatible. Or at least the airbag is not compatible. The airbag designed for this steering wheel will not work in this one. The first thing you're going to notice is the color of these grommets. These one are yellow, these one are pink, and also the way that they are positioned. These two are closer to each other. This one they are separate. Also, the way that the airbag is connected to the steering wheel is different in this one and in this one. Both the steering wheels have these entry ports that you can use a screwdriver to release the airbag. If you have the one with the yellow grommet, that one is going to be way easier than the one with the pink grommets. If you have the steering wheel with the yellow grommet, looking over here, as soon as I pressed in the screwdriver, I'm going to be hitting the release spring right away. Super simple. The steering wheel with the pink grommets, the operation is the same. Just put the screwdriver through the entry port. It will go all the way in. You have to just press it way deeper until it touches the spring over here that you cannot see because the screwdriver is behind this metal piece. But just by pressing like this, it will just open and release the airbag. Another way to do it, which is maybe a little bit more complicated with the steering wheel on, just press this spring from the back and you see how these two springs will close up. The best way to know what type of steering wheel you have, if it's the pink or the yellow one, just turn the steering wheel 180 degrees like so, and put your phone like in selfie mode. So now I know that this steering wheel is the one with the pink grommets. The first thing I'm going to be doing is disconnecting the battery of the car so I don't get the airbag popping in my face when working with it. So one little trick to make the airbag come out easier is when you feel with the screwdriver the spring, just press the airbag and then push. And as you can see, it's out in this side. I'm not going to do the same in the other side. Now I have to release the third point, which is right here at the bottom of the airbag. So I just turn the steering wheel 180 degrees. And from the back, I'm going to reach out to the spring and release it. And I'm going to help myself with the phone on selfie mode. Boom, and there we go. That's simple. As you can see, the airbag is loose. The way to remove the connectors to the airbag is just pulling these orange tabs up, both at the same time. Alright, and the last one I'm just gonna pull with a nail and with a screwdriver. There we go. And the airbag is loose. And the next thing is going to be disconnecting this connector, which is the one giving the control to all the buttons on the steering wheel. So once this red tab has been pulled back, this yellow one has longer travels and it can be released. Alright, let's go. Oh, low. What kind of impact is this one? The Walt Shame on You. I have to bring the big guns. That's what I'm talking about. Remember to add some Loctite when you put it back. Now take a look at the steering wheel and the column. They have a notch, so that is to get them aligned properly. And now the steering wheel should come out easily. There we go. Alright, so let's put the new steering wheel. Align the notches. Perfect. And now the process is pretty much the same. Putting everything back on, pressing tabs. And in it goes. Since the impact gun is leaking a little bit of oil, I just protected the steering wheel with a plastic wrap. So let's get to it. There we go. Next, I'm going to reconnect the airbag. Purple with purple, pink with pink, and just put it through the holes and press. That's it. Next, I'm going to reconnect the battery and see if everything is working correctly. Alright, so next, let's start the car and hope for the best. I'm kidding, of course. I fully trust my work. Okay, ready? Good! So, yes, that's how you change the steering wheel on a GMC Acadia 2019 and most likely any GM vehicle around that year. Thank you for watching.